Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that travel should be accessible to everyone. In today's video, we're going to share with you 15 valuable tips for affordable travel. So, if you're ready to explore the world on a budget, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Be flexible with your travel dates. Traveling during off-peak seasons or on weekdays can often lead to significant savings on flights and accommodations. Take advantage of this by planning your trips around these times. Tip 2. Utilize travel apps and websites. There are plenty of apps and websites out there that can help you find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and activities. Compare prices, read reviews, and take advantage of discounts and promotions. Tip 3. Travel light. Packing efficiently and bringing only the essentials can save you money on baggage fees and make your travels more convenient. Remember, less is more. Tip 4. Explore local cuisine. Trying local street food or eating at local restaurants can be a delicious and cost-effective way to experience the culture of a destination. Plus, it's often much cheaper than dining at touristy spots. Tip 5. Plan your meals strategically. Opt for accommodations that include breakfast or consider packing snacks for the day. This way, you can save money by reducing the number of meals you eat out. Tip 6. Use public transportation. Public transportation is often cheaper than taxis or rental cars and allows you to experience the local way of getting around. Research the options available in your destination and plan your routes ahead of time. Tip 7. Bring a reusable water bottle. Instead of buying bottled water, bring your own reusable bottle and refill it throughout the day. This not only saves you money but also helps reduce plastic waste. Tip 8. Look for free or low-cost activities. Many destinations offer free walking tours, public parks, museums with discounted or free admission on certain days, and cultural events. Take advantage of these opportunities to explore and learn without spending a fortune. Tip 9. Stay in budget-friendly accommodations. Consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals instead of high-end hotels. These options are often cheaper and can provide unique experiences. Tip 10. Embrace nature. Nature provides endless opportunities for affordable travel. Go hiking, visit national parks, and enjoy outdoor activities that don't cost much or are completely free. Tip 11. Research and compare prices. Before making any bookings, spend time researching and comparing prices for flights, accommodations, and activities. This will help you find the best deals and save money. Tip 12. Be mindful of exchange rates. If you're traveling to a country with a different currency, keep an eye on exchange rates and consider exchanging money in advance or using a reliable currency converter app to get the best rates. Tip 13. Make use of travel rewards and loyalty programs. Sign up for airline frequent flyer programs, hotel loyalty programs, and credit cards that offer travel rewards. This way, you can earn points and enjoy perks like discounted or even free flights and accommodations. Tip 14. Immerse yourself in the local culture. Engage in local activities, interact with locals, and participate in cultural events. These experiences often provide a deeper understanding of the destination and don't have to be expensive. Tip 15. Stay open-minded and embrace the unexpected. Sometimes, the most memorable experiences happen when you least expect them. Be open to spontaneous adventures and go off the beaten path. You never know what hidden gems you might discover. And there you have it, our 15 tips for affordable travel. By being flexible, using travel apps, packing light, exploring local cuisine, strategically planning meals, utilizing public transportation, bringing a reusable water bottle, seeking free or low-cost activities, staying in budget-friendly accommodations, embracing nature, researching and comparing prices, being mindful of exchange rates, utilizing travel rewards and loyalty programs, immersing yourself in the local culture, and staying open-minded, you can embark on incredible adventures without breaking the bank. We hope these tips inspire you to plan your next budget-friendly trip. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy and affordable travels, and until next time.